welcome back to Dimension Trader. This is John T. This channel is to help the trader like you to improve your trading skill in 7 days. Subscribe, like, and share if you learned something today. Today we are coming back to day 5, Vision Board. We are going to do a quick setup on the Vision Board. What is required to you put on the imagination of your Vision Board. Basically, the vision board is something you make your wish list and convert them into the image you can print out and post in front of you to remind you every day. This vision board can be your short-term, mid-term, or long-term goal. We are going to make our vision board with couple criteria. One of the most important criteria is your trading plan. What is the perfect setup look like for you? We are going to use the popular stock Tesla as an example of this vision board. Back in March 15, 21, we have a perfect setup right here as our continuation pattern. We have the trend line form. We have the support form. And we have rejection candle right this area. Pricing break up all the way to our dimension 4 area, which is right here. Okay, so our trade will be look like this. Okay, let me do a quick review for this one. This is the bottom, dimension 3. This is the top, dimension 1. And we are in the middle of dimension 2, hitting on a dimension 4 as our target. And it's bringing out the entry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 5 ROI. This is our perfect setup as our vision board. If we have this imagination in front of us, we are going to looking for exactly set up for every single pair of the stock that we are going through. Okay, so our first vision board, let me do this real quick again. Okay, so this is heading down to dimension 5, which is we don't need this one inside our vision board. We don't need this. And we are going to take a snapshot for this image. Okay. Yeah, the trade is finished within 22, 23, 25. Midterm swing trade. It's about 3 days trading setup for this vision board. Our perfect setup, number 1. We can open the paint to post our vision board one by one. Okay, so whatever trade we are going to come across, this is the setup we are looking for. Exactly the way we are expecting as a dimension 2 continuation setup. If you are looking for reversal, dimension 4 and 5, that will be a different vision board as we are going to capture. Second of all, we are going to make a wish list. What do you really want come out from the trading? Full-time trader, $1 million trader, or you want to travel around the world, retire early, whatever that you want to buy. This can be your wish list. We are going to convert those wish lists into the image. By doing the vision board, we can print this out, post in front of us, and this is going to be help us to have the goal-driven desire that you are going to achieve either in short term, mid term, and long term. In this occasion, we are going to make a quick short term goal. First of all, of course, we are going to have some success trading and accumulate our income. Probably let's do 10K. As our tools, we are going to use in one of the tool called Check to the Universe. This is from The Secret. I know most of people know about this. The basic idea of this secret is you are making a wish, you are thankful for receiving, and you are asking for your goal. We are going to make a quick image on this snapshot and post in our vision board. Okay, and we are going to put a number in here. Let's say 10,000. This is going to take a while for you to create your own vision board that fits your requirement. Okay, this is our short-term goal. We want to make 10,000 in our trading balance. So vision board is something you convert your wishes into the reality. You are looking for this every time you are trading. Okay, we have to post this one in front of you so you can have your own desire. Okay, now we can put something more in your vision board. Let's say if you want to travel to Hawaii, just for the imagination. Okay, then we can put something like a very good travel journey on your vision board. Let's say we want to travel. Okay, vision board to Hawaii. Or we can buy a new car, or we can buy something like, let's just for the sake of the vision board, let's say we want a Tesla car, and find your favorite car, post in your vision board. This is cool. We can do this. Okay, so our goal, we want to have the balance of our trading account. We want to go traveling to Hawaii, and we want to buy a car, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is basically the short-term vision board we are creating. We have the trading setup. We have our funding goal, money goal in the account, and we have our traveling goal, purchasing goal, and if you have any other goal you want to put, you are free to convert it into an image and put in here. This is what the basic image of the vision goal look like. Okay, so the vision board is what we are expecting to reach in the short term, mid-term, or long term. This is a basic that we have put together. Okay, so make sure you save it, print out, post in front of you, post everywhere. This can remind you, give you a goal driven to your goal while you're doing the trading. It will help you to making the more wise trade and more consistently profit if you follow your vision board and your trading setup. Okay, now back to the popular stock analysis. We are going to take a look on the popular stock Tesla. What it's going to be look like on Monday. Okay, first of all, we are going to check where is the pricing located as the whole chart. This is on the reversal or continuation. Are we hit anything yet? If not, then we will wait for the things going to be unfold. But first of all, we see there is a trend line break right here. Okay, this is a trend line break, and we have the trend line on the top. Okay, this is the first thing we see. Also, we have the resistance. This is happening at dimension 1. Okay, so which means this is giving us support down here. This is our dimension 3. As a short term, we are looking the BIOS is short on the Tesla. Why? Because we are reaching dimension 4 and the pricing break the trend line, falling back, hitting our resistance around this area. For the short term, Tesla will be looking for short. How about the midterm? Midterm, our bottom is dimension 3 right here. If the rejection happening strongly right here, we can aim our target all the way down here. Okay, so for the scalping, we can trade short probably down here. For the midterm, we can trade a short probably down here as a dimension 5 zone. As the short-term dimension 5 zone, this is a small one. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. Okay, this is a short-term price cycle, and this is the midterm. We are expecting pricing hit it back down here. For the long term, we will expecting pricing to moving lower if the trend line is keeping holding to the downside. Then we are going to see more further down to here as a dimension 5. As we have the dimension 3, as we have the dimension 4 rejection already with a trendline break, this is heading to the dimension 5 along with trendline holding. So Tesla, we are expecting some short all the way to 150 zone. If this is the case, we were expecting something in here to happen before we are looking for a different direction. Either we have a new trendline break or new pricing candle rejection down in dimension 5, or any supply around this area, then we can come back to see if we are changing the direction. Okay, back to Monday expectation. Short term could be short as long as we have a trend line holding. Midterm, if the trend line holding and the resistance, the support being broken down, we are expecting come down to the dimension 3. As a long term, we will expecting more short if the trend line respecting down to dimension 5. Anything happen down in the dimension 5, we will wait to see if the pricing will break the trend line or do any rejection along with our new trend line forming right here. This is going to be our long setup for reversal if this happening down here. Okay, so this is what we are expecting on the Tesla for the price cycles location. According to your own study, you can always confirm if this is going to be a good short trade for you in the short term, mid-term, or long term. Okay, now back to our today's pick for the Monday. We have the stock founding in AEHR. This is the pair we found our continuation setup right this area. We have the trend line form being respected with a reject price candle, and we have dimension 3 with support respecting once, twice. Also, we have the top of the dimension 4 being bounced. Okay, so of course we have the short-term trend. If the price is breaking through here, we might expecting the higher dimension 4, which could be up here. Okay, if not, then pricing is going to be around this area, which is bring up 1 to 2 if we enter right here, and our targets right here 1 2. So we're going to have 2 target right here for AEHR. If the pricing holding on the trend line, breaking this resistance, our expectation pricing will move up down to the $14 zone, and this is going to bring us about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 to 8 ROI if the pricing unfold according to the trend line in the rejection. Okay, that is what is the pick for Monday's expectation, and we're using the TSLA to find our vision board for perfect setup. Please take your time to find your perfect setup on any stock you are doing, or you have any successful trading plans on the past. Make a snapshot, post on your vision board. It's going to be your perfect setup when you are looking for a new stock opportunity every single day. If you learned one thing or two today, please subscribe, share, and like. And remember, turn on your notification bell so you will not miss any of our update video in the future to help you to improve your trading skill. We'll come back to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.